Today, we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence. We'll explore what is AI, how AI works, and how AI changing our lives. We'll also discuss the big question: will AI replace humans? So, let's jump right in. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is a technology that helps computers and machines think and learn just like humans. It's like giving them a brain to solve problems and make decisions. AI allows machines to understand information, make sense of it, and use that knowledge to do things without being told every single step. It's like having a really smart and helpful friend in a computer who can assist you with all sorts of tasks. How artificial intelligence works. Artificial intelligence uses special instructions called algorithms to teach computers. By analyzing lots of examples and data, computers learn patterns and rules. This helps them make predictions, solve problems, and perform tasks. Imagine you want the computer to recognize pictures of cats. You would show it many pictures of cats and tell it, "These are cats." The computer would study the pictures and learn what features, like pointy ears or whiskers, make a cat a cat. Then, when you show it a new picture, it can apply what it learned and say, "Yes, this is a cat." It's like teaching the computer to recognize things by showing it lots of examples. The more data and examples the computer gets, the better it becomes at understanding and making accurate decisions. AI can be used in many different areas, such as self-driving cars, voice assistants, and even in games. It's a powerful tool that helps us solve problems and make our lives easier. How artificial intelligence changing our lives? Artificial intelligence is changing our lives in many ways. It helps us in everyday tasks and makes things more convenient. For example, AI powers voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, which can answer questions, play music, and even control smart devices in our homes. AI also plays a role in healthcare, helping doctors analyze medical data and make more accurate diagnoses. It can assist in finding new treatments for diseases and improving patient care. In transportation, AI is used in self-driving cars, making travel safer and more efficient. It can also optimize traffic flow and reduce accidents. In entertainment, AI can recommend movies, shows, and songs that we might like based on our preferences. It can even create new artworks, music, or stories. AI is transforming industries like finance, manufacturing, and agriculture, making processes more efficient and effective. Overall, artificial intelligence is making our lives easier, safer, and more enjoyable by providing us with intelligent tools and solutions to various challenges we face. Will AI replace humans? No, AI will not take over or replace humans completely. AI is good at doing specific tasks really well, but it can't do everything humans can do. Humans have emotions, imagination, and can solve complex problems in unique ways. AI is like a helpful tool that assists humans by doing tasks that are repetitive or not very exciting. It helps us by automating some things so we can focus on more interesting and important work. So, instead of replacing us, AI works alongside us to make our lives easier and better. That's a wrap for today's video on artificial intelligence. We hope you enjoyed this introduction to AI and its impact on our lives. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.